Hi, welcome to Textmagic. In this video, we'll walk you through the toll-free number verification process. This is an industry-wide requirement designed to protect consumers from spam and fraud. That is why US carriers, the messaging aggregator, and Textmagic will block messages sent from unverified toll-free numbers that don't comply with these regulations. The verification is completely free and usually takes up to 5 business days. The first step in toll-free verification is brand registration. This is where you provide important details about your business, like the company name, address, and website. This helps carriers identify your business as a trusted sender. You'll need to enter your organization's legal name and a brand name if it is different. Select the legal form of your business and provide your website. If you do not have a website, add a social media link. Then, choose your industry from the list. If your exact category isn't there, just pick the closest option. Add the official address of the organization. In the bottom section, enter contact details for your company representative who can be the point of contact in case of questions. Next, we have the toll-free campaign. This is where you define the purpose, content, and audience for the text you'll be sending. Start by selecting the category that best represents your use case. If you have multiple use cases, choose the one that will send the most messages. Then, briefly describe who you'll be texting. These could be customers, employees, or partners. Finally, explain the type of content you'll send, such as appointment reminders or delivery updates. Select the estimated message volume that you plan to send monthly and indicate if most of them will be sent to Canadian numbers. Click Save and continue to Step 2, Opt-in Flow. What is an opt-in flow? It's the process where customers give their consent to receive texts from your business, ensuring they are protected from spam and fraud. Opt-in flow is required by law, and your campaign can only be verified if recipients have explicitly agreed to receive your messages. Here, explain how your recipients agree to receive texts from you. This could be on a website, verbally, through a paper form, or at a point of sale. If you don't have a proper opt-in process, we recommend setting one up to avoid legal issues. You can use our subscribe form to create a compliant opt-in process for your website. You'll also need to upload proof of your opt-in method, such as screenshots of an opt-in form on your website, a picture of a paper form, or similar. In the additional supporting documentation, include other details that can prove the validity of your opt-in process, such as privacy policies, acceptable use policies, relevant links, and similar information. Now, it's time to add sample messages. Provide clear examples of the messages you plan to send, replacing placeholders like names or dates with real examples. For instance, instead of customer name, use a sample name like Alex. You can add several sample messages if needed. In the final step, review all the information you've entered. Double-check for accuracy. If you need to make changes, you can go back and edit. Once everything looks good, submit the form. The entire verification process usually takes 3 to 5 business days. Once you submit the form, Textmagic will manually review your application and forward it to the toll-free messaging aggregator within 24 hours. If any information is missing or needs clarification, we'll contact you directly to resolve it. You'll also receive email updates as your application progresses. You can also monitor the status by visiting the toll-free verification page in your Textmagic account. Once your application is approved, you're all set to start messaging through your number. If your form is rejected, contact Textmagic to check if resubmission is possible. Thanks for watching, and happy texting with Textmagic.